Just bought myself a Blackstone 36-inch Pro Series griddle. Here's the sheet that shows that you can make 28 pancakes, 72 bacon strips, 48 eggs, 28 hamburgers, 24 grilled cheese. Not that I'm going to make that many, but can't show the unboxing. Bought it at Walmart. Let me show you the car that we had to put it in. We got to Walmart and bought it. The inside might be 37 inches wide, but the lip right here to the other side is like only 35 inches. So they had to take it out of the box to get it in here. But we managed to get it in there. So piece by piece, brought it through the house onto the deck. You get parts down here, over there, box over there, some items over there, the top to the grill, and finally the grill box itself, griddle box. So now I got to put it together. But after all that work getting it in here, I need to rest. So I got the wheels on. So there it is, the basic thing. So now I got to read the rest of the directions and figure out what's next. So I'll get back to you. Okay, now I'm putting on these handles. One tricky thing about these handles, I don't know if you can see it, but the screws go in these little holes. So you have to be careful so when you're putting a screw in the hole, you don't drop it, because then it's stuck inside the area between here. So I didn't have a screwdriver to hold it, so what I did was I taped the screw to the screwdriver. I know you might think that's a stupid way, but it worked. I didn't want to drop the screws. So I got 1, 2, I gotta put the one on this part of the cabinet. Now it's time to put the hanging plastic hooks to the side of this shelving unit with these self-tapping screws. So I'll get to doing that and show you the finished product. Okay, I got one set of towel hooks on the shelf here. So one more to go. See, that's where I put the screws in. And I gotta put another screw in right there. Right there. Okay, got the one side on. Man, there's so much pollen. There's already pollen getting on this nice thing. So now I got to put the other side on right here. See how that goes. Okay, so there's something squirrely in putting the towel rack on, because they imply that you're supposed to use this screw and this screw, but the holes don't line up. So I had to take this screw out from the main body and use that screw to hold the paper rack hold on. But when you look at the directions, they don't say anything about that. But whatever, seems to work fine. So I got this next shelf on. I was so excited when I bought my Blackstone Griddle that I forgot to film it when I seasoned it. I also forgot to film it when I cooked some burgers and some steaks. So I decided that today I'm going to film making some chicken fried rice. So here we go. So for the chicken fried rice, we have some eggs, got the chicken, got the steamed rice, got some garlic, and some mixed vegetables, and the oil. And we're heating up the grill now, so you can see it's pretty well seasoned. So I'm starting off with a little oil here, not a little oil, butter. See how the preheating it is working. And a little bit of oil. Make sure it's warm enough. Griddle. I have it high on the left two burners, and the far right one is off. Start off with the eggs, scrambled eggs. Oh, I got the salt and pepper. A little bit of salt on here. Garlic. Celery. And vegetables. Add the chicken. Pepper. Salt. Oil. Rice in here. Teriyaki sauce. Dry it out a little. Add everything back together. there you are.